Hello, welcome to Learning Law, and this is Company Law Part 8. And in this video we are going to discuss about members, modes of membership, who may be a member, cessation of membership, register of members, and inspection and closing of register. Member: a person whose name is entered in the register of members of company may be considered as a member. Section 2 clause 55 provides that every person who agrees in writing to become a member of company and whose name is entered in the register. There are two conditions. One, should be agreed in writing, and two, should be his name should be entered in register. Such person may be considered as a member. What are the modes of acquiring membership are: subscribers to memorandum, agreement in writing, by application and allotment of shares, by transfer of shares, instrument of transfer, by transmission of shares, and by estoppels. These are the modes of acquiring membership of company. Who may be a member? All persons who are competent to contract can be a member of company. A company, if MOA and AOA allows, a company may be a member of another company if the MOA and AOA of that particular company allows to be a member of another company. And Hindu undivided family, that is Karta, can be a member. Joint holders, registered society under Society Registration Act, and insolvent can also be a member, can receive beneficial interest from the company. A foreigner can also be a member who is not an alien enemy, that is not from an enemy country to India. And a minor cannot be a member. Section 8 companies, that is non-profitable institutions, can be a member if MOA and AOA of that particular company allows. Partnership firm cannot be a member as it is not an legal entity or a legal person like a company. But the members of partnership firm can become a member of company. Cession of membership. How a membership is seized. The conditions for seizing of membership are: by transfer of shares, shares are forfeited, surrender of shares, shares are sold by company to enforce lien, shareholders dies or adjudged insolvent, redeemable preference shares are redeemed, shares are brought back, attached by court in satisfaction of degree. Shares are attached by court in satisfaction of degree. What are the rights of members are: voting rights, take inspection of register of members, receive notice of general meeting and to attend and speak at meetings, to demand for poll, to right to receive dividend, to elect directors, can apply for NCLT on mismanagement of company, can apply for winding up on NCLT, right to share in surplus on winding up. Register of members. Register of members need to be maintained separately for each class of equity and preference shareholders. And then inspection. The registers, except when they are closed under provisions of this act, and the copies of all written shall be open for inspection by a member, debenture holder, other security holder or beneficial owner during business hours without payment of any fees, and by any other person on payment of fees as may be prescribed. Brief rules and procedure for register and its inspections are given under section 94 of Companies Act. When a register can be closed, a company may close the register of companies or register of members or the register of debenture holder or the register of other securities for a period not exceeding 45 days in each year but not exceeding 30 days at one time, subject to the provisions of at least subject to previous notice of at least 7 days or such lesser period as may be specified by SEBI for listed companies or the companies which intend to get their securities listed in such manner as may be prescribed. These are the conditions and rules which are prescribed under section 91 for closing a register. Thank you for watching this video.